Thinking about cheating? These 3 consequences will follow you forever. A woman once shared her story. A month after my husband divorced me, his company went public. Overnight, he became a millionaire. The same men who fought me over a $30,000 car had hidden his success from me. Meanwhile, I felt guilty for taking a little extra in the divorce. It was all an act. Later, I saw photos of him and his new wife, smiling in Greece, something he never did with me. Is there no justice? I've never hurt anyone, yet he gets rewarded. If it weren't illegal, I'd make him pay. Stories like this are common. So, does cheating really come with consequences? We interviewed 50 unfaithful men and found that 3 types of men suffer the most. 1. The man who couldn't face his past. Mark, 45. Divorced after a 10-year relationship. I found texts between my girlfriend and my best friend discussing their affair and even plotting to take my money. Heartbroken, I gave up on love. 6 months later, I married a woman my parents chose. She was kind, loyal, and a devoted homemaker. But I felt nothing, just emptiness. Then I met Lisa. She looked exactly like my ex. I knew it was wrong, but I couldn't resist. Being with her made me feel alive again. I left my wife, but Lisa refused to leave her husband. Suddenly, I realized my mistake. I missed my ex-wife, but by then, she had moved on. I saw her with another man, holding our child's hand, happy. I lost everything chasing a fantasy. 2. The man who lost himself in freedom. James, 45. Divorced, I was a successful businessman, married to a woman who helped build my career. But at home, I had no voice. Then I met Lily. She made me feel powerful. So I left my wife. But my ex was smart. She took our money and clients. Meanwhile, Lily and I partied endlessly. I ignored my business, made bad decisions, and soon went bankrupt. Then Lily vanished with all my money. I traded stability for temporary excitement and lost everything. 3. The man who feared growing old. Robert, 43. Remarried at 40. I hated my aging life, bills, balding, parenting stress. Then I cheated with my young assistant, Sophia. She made me feel young again. So I left my wife. But Sophia wasn't ready for marriage. She partied while I struggled with work and parenting. My son's grades dropped, and my career suffered. Meanwhile, my ex-wife thrived with a new partner. I traded real love for a fleeting illusion. The real consequences of cheating. Cheating isn't just wrong, it's self-sabotage. These men didn't just hurt others. They ruined their own lives by running from pain and creating more, chasing ego boosts and losing what mattered, fearing age and making life harder. Karma takes time. Research shows men often feel free right after divorce, but a year later, regret hits hard. Women grieve first, then rebuild. Cheating doesn't solve problems, it magnifies them. Share this with someone who needs to hear it.